Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about Careface CVP.
You might want to pay a visit to some of the following locations in Manchester, Jamaica. Check Google Maps. Did you know this? Warwick. It is located in Grovetown, Manchester, Jamaica. Mandeville is approximately 16 kilometers 10 miles away from Grovetown. Cross Keys. It is located in the region of Manchester, Jamaica, approximately 16 kilometers 10 miles away from the capital Mandeville. St. Jago. This place is situated in Manchester, Jamaica. Did you know this? Hopewell. This place is situated in Manchester, Jamaica. Its geographical coordinates are 17 degrees 56' north, 77 degrees 26' west. Newport. This place is situated in Manchester, Jamaica. Its geographical coordinates are 17 degrees 58' north, 77 degrees 30' west. Newport, Manchester, Jamaica. Newport is approximately 5 miles south of Mandeville. Other names including Blenheim and Woodstock are from villages. South Manchester, Jamaica, located 15 minutes away from beautiful Mandeville. Maplandia.com. Did you know this? Old England. This place is situated in Manchester, Jamaica. Its geographical coordinates are 17 degrees 59' north, 77 degrees 28' west. Knockpatrick. This place is situated in Manchester, Jamaica. Its geographical coordinates are 18 degrees 00 north, 77 degrees 31' west. Did you know this? Spurtree, known to most as Spurtree Hill, is a road in Manchester, Jamaica that has an elevation of 755 meters, and it also marks the boundary between Manchester and the parish of St. Elizabeth. Porus is a village in Manchester, Jamaica that overlooks a plain to the south with hills behind it to the north. A tributary of the Rio Minho runs parallel to the main road, helping to keep the atmosphere cool. Did you know all that? Well, if you didn't know, now you know.
Brought to you by Careface CVP. Subscribe, like, comment, and let the whole world know about us. Careface CVP.